melted butter with garlics, lemon zest, lemon juice, and other flavors. What do you get, guys? The perfect lemon pepper chicken. Come over to my kitchen to learn how to make this beautiful dish. Welcome, lovely people. Welcome back to Tracy's Cooking. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, I'll be making a beautiful and tasty lemon pepper chicken. For this, you will need some chicken wings here, separating the drums from the flats. After washing the chicken pieces in some lime water, I prefer to wash my chicken in lime water because it just gives the chicken a better taste. So the season I'll be using in this recipe will be some garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose season, black pepper, paprika, and of course some lemon pepper season with some fresh thyme. Season your chicken well. You want to go in and rub all those chicken pieces together to make sure every pieces are coated well. And once you finish, you want to leave your chicken to marinate for an hour or so, or you can go straight ahead and cook your chicken just like this. So once your chicken is done, you want to go straight ahead to prepare our flour mixture. Here I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour and I am adding about ½ cup of cornstarch. I love both mixture because the cornstarch gives the chicken a little more crunch. And I am seasoning it with some black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, some lemon pepper season, and I'm going to blend everything well. If you notice here, seeing a lot of lumps in the flour, so I go ahead and strain it just to make sure everything smooth out nicely. So while your oil is heating up, you want to go straight ahead and coat your chicken wings, and you want to make sure every area of the chicken pieces is coated, and you want to shake off the excess flour so your chicken pieces look just like that. And you will continue like this until you have your first portion of chicken that you are going to fry. So our chicken are ready to fry, and here we have our oil well heated up. This is about 2 inches of oil. You want to make sure you have enough oil to make sure your chicken wings have that nice golden color. We want to deep fry our chicken wings. Seven minutes later, here I'm turning the wings, and you can see they are frying really nicely. And I did have my stove on high. I turn it down. Once I had the chicken pieces, I turn it on medium high. You can play around with your settings according to how much chicken pieces you are frying, according to the thickness of your pot. You just want to make sure you are getting that nice constant bubbly. So here, in a total of 12 minutes time, my chicken wings are done. The first portion. So right away, I am going to add the second portion, and this will take the same amount of time as the first portion. So this is our chicken wings, looking all so beautiful. I'm tempted. Oh boy, I want to start to eat these chicken pieces so badly, but I said no. Wait until it's completely done. Every time I have a look, I want to take a pieces. The temptation was powerful. So to make the garlic, to make our lemon pepper sauce, here I have about 3 tablespoons of melted butter. To this I add about 2 finely minced garlic. There I'm adding a teaspoon of lemon zest. You want to thinly grate the yellow part of the lemon. You don't want to go deep down. You don't want to get any of that white part. So you want to carefully to avoid that. And there I'm adding a little bit more than a tablespoon of lemon juice. To this I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I will be adding about a tablespoon of honey. This is to balance the citrus flavor. It will give it a light sweet taste, not too sweet but perfect. And here I'm garnish this sauce with some Scotch bonnet pepper. Again, if you don't want, you don't have to put this, but I'm telling you, it make a great difference. The spice is mild. You're not getting that really heat that you get from the Scotch bonnet pepper. So you don't need to worry if you want to follow the recipe just like this. But I love the way it give that chicken that beautiful color. So here you just want to, once everything is heated up, your sauce is ready. And here, look how beautiful it is. Wow, you want to make sure shake up everything nicely to coat it those. Oh my gosh. So just like this, easy yet tasty, this lemon pepper recipe is. I love everything about this. I love the way it look. I love the flavor I'm getting from it. Oh my goodness. I always hear about lemon pepper chicken, and I always wonder how will that taste. And I'm glad that I really tried. And of course, I had my taste to this dish. That is why it is perfect, because I make it the way I like it. And I think that you guys may like it also. So that is why I'm sharing this recipe with you. So like I always said, guys, go ahead, try my recipe. Drop a comment below and let me know how did yours came out. If you really like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified as soon as I upload. And I just want to say a big shout out to all my subscribers, my faithful viewers. Thank you so much for being there. Bye.